Packing for a video shoot can feel like a juggling act, trying to remember everything. Your camera kit, lighting kit, tripods, accessories. It's a lot to keep track of. But there's one kit most video teams don't even think about bringing to a video shoot, and it's one that can save you in a pinch. It's a touch-up kit. I know you're probably thinking, do I really need another kit to pack? Especially one that doesn't seem related to my job on set. Trust me, this one's worth it. As a video producer, I can't tell you how many times this kit has saved me on set. In this video, I'll show you why it's a must-have and what items you need to build your own kit. Don't worry about writing them all down, because if you stay until the end of this video, I'll tell you where you can get the full list. If we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Desiree. I'm a video producer and editor with over 10 years of experience working in corporate video production. Here on my channel, I share my tips and the camera gear you need to produce video content for corporate clients. If that interests you, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let's get into it. On every video shoot, one of your priorities is to make sure your talent looks their best on camera. The cameras we film with nowadays show everything, even lit on clothing, which you don't notice until you see your camera's live image on a bigger monitor. Your job is to call out anything that may not look good on the talent and make sure it's fixed before filming, and sometimes that means you may have to do it yourself. Now you may be thinking, well, Desiree, my job on set is to set up the shot and film, not touch up the talent's makeup. I have other things to worry about. That is very true if you're on a shoot with a big budget and you can afford to hire a makeup artist to take care of that. I actually recommend you tell your clients to hire a makeup artist for the shoot, so that's one less thing you have to deal with. But if the client says no, or you're working on a project with a small budget, you may not be able to get one. This is the reality for most corporate video shoots, which rarely hire a makeup artist. You as the producer or videographer will have to deal with it, and that's when the touch-up kit comes in handy. I've been on set many times where I've had to not only look out for any imperfections on the talent's appearance, but also fix them on the fly. And having this kit has saved me countless times. It contains everything you'll need to make minor touch-ups to the talent's appearance, so that you're not wasting time looking around on set for solutions to make those fixes. Nothing wastes precious filming time than looking to see if anyone happens to have what you need. With the kit, your talent can make those touch-ups themselves, or if worse comes to worse, you can do it. This isn't a full makeup kit, so don't worry, you're not gonna need to learn how to do a full face of makeup. But it does include a mix of makeup-related items and other essentials that can help you fix the most common on-set mishaps, so you can always be prepared for the unexpected. I've got my touch-up kit right here, and as it says on my bag, this is my bag of tricks, and I'm gonna show you everything I keep in it so you can build your own. The first thing that should go in the touch-up kit is oil-absorbing sheets. These remove excess oil on the face, so if your talent's face is a little shiny, this will take care of that. I recommend getting several packs of these because they can go quickly if you use several sheets on one person. The sheets that come from this brand that I have here are bigger than the ones you get in the pharmacy, so one of these sheets can cover more areas. An eyebrow brush to brush the eyebrows. Then get some clear mascara to fix any crazy eyebrow hairs that don't want to stay in place while brushing. It acts as a gel to hold them down. Primer or finishing powder. This is great for reducing shine on the face. If your talent has a lot of oil on their face, have them wipe it off first with the oil absorbing sheets, then apply the primer or finishing powder to keep the oil in check. Depending on the person, you may have to reapply the primer throughout the shoot, especially when it's in powder form, because it will come back, but definitely this will help you keep it in check. And it comes in liquid and powder form. I have the powder form here, but the liquid one is easier to apply evenly on the face. If you choose to get the liquid one, this one from MAC Cosmetics is really good. Primer is translucent, so this can be applied to all types of skin complexions, and you could just apply it to the entire face. A pack of disposable mascara wands to apply the mascara to different people, so you're not cross-contaminating. I leave a few of these in the bag instead of carrying the entire pack with me. Don't apply the mascara to different people using the brush that comes with the mascara. You only use this brush if you're the only one using the mascara. Instead, dip the disposable mascara wand in the bottle and then apply it, and make sure you have enough of it on the brush, because we don't want to double dip the same disposable brush after it's touched someone. We want to keep the bottle of the mascara free from any bacteria, since it will be used on different people. If you need to reapply more mascara, then get another disposable wand to dip back into the bottle. Also, some of these pointed Q-tips to clean up any makeup around the eyes or eyelashes. If your talent is a woman, most likely they'll know what to do with these. You could just give it to them to clean up their own makeup, and in some cases, they may bring their own makeup to apply it themselves. I always tell the talent to bring their own makeup if I know there isn't gonna be a makeup artist on set. These wedge-shaped sponges are good for applying both liquid and powdered primer and blending any makeup on the skin. A small mirror for the talent to see themselves. If you have the finishing powder, there's usually one inside, so you may not have to get a separate one unless it's a bigger one. Sometimes you may need makeup brushes on hand if the makeup sponges aren't cutting it. Get a powder brush and one for eyeshadow just to have on hand. Also, get some makeup brush cleaner to disinfect and clean all of the brushes after each use. I like using the one from Sephora called the Deep Cleaning Brush and Sponge Shampoo. Don't get the daily brush cleaner from Sephora, because that one doesn't remove all of the makeup from the brushes like the deep cleaning shampoo does. A hairbrush and some hairspray to keep hair in place. Wet wipes come in handy if you need to wipe something off, or if the talent gets something on their clothing they need to clean off. Also, the stain removing pen is good to have if they get a stain on their shirt that will be seen on camera. That has happened to me before with a client who stained their shirt right before we started filming. A lint brush to remove any visible lint. Tissues always come in clutch. A sewing kit in case you need to reattach a button. Get the small travel one like this one that they give in hotels, if hotels still do that. A bunch of safety pins in different sizes in case you have to make some temporary fixes to clothing. Some two-sided fabric tape can also be used to keep a shirt closed if a button is missing. Eye drops if the subject's eyes are red or irritated so it doesn't show on camera. Lens cleaning wipes to clean a subject's glasses if they are dirty. Disposable floss picks in case the talent has something in their teeth, they can remove it. And lastly, a bag or case big enough to fit everything I mentioned. I recommend getting travel size versions of these items so you don't need to store everything in a big bag. You don't have to get everything I have in my kit, but this is what I use, and over time I'll add to this kit when I find myself on set needing something I didn't have. You can download the list of all these items for free from my website. It also includes links to where you can buy those items. The link is in the description. If there are any other items I should add to this kit, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.